Hello students, welcome to E-Lessons. I am Prithvi, your physics teacher. So far we have learned about motion of objects, right? So we even learned about force is needed for any of the objects to move. We also realized that force is the cause of the motion for an object. Now, have you ever observed that any object that you throw upwards always falls downwards, right? It again falls back towards the earth. We also know that the moon keeps, going around the earth. All the planets go around the sun. So don't you think there is some force acting on all these objects? Like, why is it happening that way? Why do you think the planets are going around the sun? Why does the moon have to go around the earth itself and not around the sun? So these are some things which does come in the mind, and we keep wondering as to why is it happening, right? So there must be some force which is attracting all of these together, or what kind of force can it be?